Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. Today we have desserts from the Peach Cobbler Factory. My older sister has been telling us about it for a while, but we're just now deciding to try it. Okay, so don't mind that. This is their vanilla ice cream with the with their cobbler magic sprinkled on top. I'm laughing, y'all, because this is my second time trying to film this video, and every time I get a little brain fart when I try to talk about it. Okay, so yeah, it just looks like some spices on top. That looks good. This is the blackberry. I'm sorry, the raspberry. Yeah, Lee. This is the blackberry cobbler. This is the caramel apple cobbler. This is the peach cobbler. Obviously, you can't go to a restaurant and not get their namesake. So, yeah, they had a promo going, buy one, get one for those. So, these two are the same. And then back here, that is the red velvet pudding. Can't wait to try that. And then this is the Butterfinger pudding. I'm excited about that, y'all, because they smell so good. So, yeah, comment down below if y'all have tried any of these. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, bye. Hey, y'all, I forgot to mention this little detail, but these are bigger because they're like the regular size one. They're $9.99 a piece, and like I said, they had them for buy one get one. And then these, they had them like you can get a pack of 4. So these are the trial size ones, and it was like $22.50, I believe. And yeah, these are 4 ounces each. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Bye.